Okay, sorry, I think my internet is not supporting today the live directly, so I will record it for you and then I will try to upload it and maybe I will be there for the premiere in the chat. So basically what we're going to do today is a super fast project to get with a 3D pen, some cool idea for a Valentine. And I forgot where it is the example, so I think I move it. So we will just proceed and you will see what, it's here. No, it's not. Okay, I'm so sorry. I don't know where I put it. So let's just get your 3D pen, get it ready with some filament. I would definitely suggest to go, for example, with black and red, but maybe we will also do some experiment with other filament, and I will link everything in my website related to 3D pen project. That is this one, www.madamom.com/3dpen. You will find there a lot of information and all the material that I'm using and the references and so on. In particular, you will be able also to find the link to download directly the model with all these arts inspired for my last visit at the Giardino dei Tarocchi in Tuscany, so to the amazing art of Niki de Sanfal. And since this year is the year of the dragon, I also put this one. I might do it in the next days. Let's see. And you have it in two different dimensions. So my 3D pen is ready, so let's start. So I would go, I think, let's start maybe with this one here. Okay, so I have the black already here. If you need the basic of the 3D pen, I just wanted to remind you that I have a class in Skillshare that I'm going to link, where you really get through all the basic and all the technique also to get confident with your own 3D pen. There are many models of 3D pen. This one is one that I absolutely suggest for beginners, but I use it also so many times, so I think it's a really resilient model, and I definitely suggest it to have fun with. So here we are. I already finished with the outer part, so then now I can just change the filament, and I guess I'm going with this dark red. What is very important when you have a 3D pen is that the beginning of the filament has to be cut clean. So I really like to use this kind of instrument, but the scissor will work fine too. When the 3D pen doesn't do any more sound, you can just do it again. And at the beginning, especially if you're using black, you will notice that the filament needs a little bit of time for changing the color with the one that you choose. So you see now it's still a little bit black, the red needs a little bit of time to go out. So you might just want to wait a little bit, okay? You can still practice while you're waiting with some shades. Oh, a super cool practice actually during Valentine's time is to practice with the size of your finger to make some rings. So for example, I look at my finger and I can take one pencil here and experiment on the size of a ring. Let me show you. Okay, the red is ready, so I can just proceed, but I just wanted to show you what I'm doing here. So each time I'm changing color, I'm practicing doing circle. Now let's go back to our original project. This red is very intense. So I think maybe it's even too much intense for the Niki de Sanfal style, so I might change it again now and try to, for example, with a white to make white around and to balance the color. So I will change it again, get ready with the white. Okay, I cannot find the beginning of the white. Here it is. So just remember, it has to be cut clean. And then while I insert this one, when it's ready, this one will be ready to be removed. So as you can see, this one is too small, so I might go for something bigger. Okay, seems that the white needs a little bit of time to be clean, but actually I think that for a Niki de Sanfal art, it will be nice also to have this effect. And I will use it. And here we are. Okay, so now we will wait this one to be cold, and you will notice because this one will just pop easier like now. By the way, you see that now I can just try this one. Okay, will work. So what I wanted to show you also is that how you can do small ring just by doing this technique. You will just put a little bit of plastic here on the back, and just super fast you will try to put this one here. Technically it's already done. If you want, you can just be sure to make it even stronger, like this. And this. And we just made, in the meanwhile that we're waiting to do our bookmark, also a ring. And I think it's really a nice small surprise for classmates or yes, I mean, you know, to whom. Now this one is ready, and I wanted to show you how cool it is, like this, and also the back part is so cool. Really reminds me of the mosaic that I saw in the garden of Niki de Sanfal. But anyway, so I bet everyone has around home this kind of material here. And what you're going to do now is to decide if you want it to the bookmark to go like inside, like this, say, or if you want the bookmark to stick out from the page, so in this position. In my case, I think I will go for this. So I will take this part here, or if you prefer, let's say here is easier to understand, the part here, I will put it in the back, and then I will make sure to take the speed down of the 3D pen, and I will just connect it in this way. The trick here is to connect it and then turn it immediately and press it. And again, when it will be ready, it will just pop up from the position. Ooh, and since you already have the white and you're waiting for this one, let's see if we can put some decoration around this one here. I mean, I don't suggest to do it like really in 3D, but if you want, you can. Or you can just put it like here, for example, and do the border to make it even bigger. I don't know, I'm experimenting. Might be a terrible idea. But in the meanwhile, we are waiting for that one, I would like for you to experiment. Oop. Okay, maybe it was not a good idea. And then, ta-da! It's ready. So you just prepare a notebook, a bookmark that you can just give it as a small present for Valentine's Day. Isn't it cool? I hope you like it, and I'll see you soon. Oh, let me check this one. Okay, I have to be honest, maybe that one was not the best idea to do, but it's still kind of impressive. Yep. Okay, I'll see you soon, and remember, stay creative. Oh, and don't forget, please, if you like this kind of video, to put me a like, write me something in the comment, push the follow button, because this one will definitely support me and understand what is interesting for you, and also this journey. So I'll see you soon. Bye.